What's up out there, YouTube? Double D here with Tournage Dubois. Welcome back. My wife and I got married 25 years ago this August. My niece, Caroline, she was born just before our wedding. So she was our honorary flower girl. She was born about 25 days before our wedding. So she's getting married at the end of June of this year, 2024. So I wanted to make her something special. So I'm gonna make her, not with this one. So I'm gonna use this blank. I gave her the choice of these two. She picked this one. So we're gonna make her a pizza cutter from Niles Bottle Stopper. So I'll put a link to their information down below, and I'll also tag their channel. If you don't follow them, go check them out. They make some amazing products, and Carl and Robin are awesome people. Really appreciate them. So at any rate, let's get rolling. So I already squared off the end with a Forstner bit and drilled it out. Used the brass insert with, obviously it's a pass-through because the spindle portion on the pizza cutter that will screw into there is much longer than that brass piece. So that'll allow it to flow through there. So we've got that done. We're gonna thread it on this mandrel, then we're gonna get going. So of course, I decided to go ahead and make a second one. So yeah, it just screws right in. That resin clear coat makes a nice, good finish. And then the holder allows for a nice display piece. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that project where we took the blank and we made the pizza cutter. So this is a 3D printed pizza cutter stand display. I think this is great for displaying the piece of work. Makes for an artistic piece, a conversation piece of course, and it doesn't just lay in a drawer gathering dust, not being seen. So this is a wedding present for my niece Caroline and her husband Wesley. They are getting married today, actually, the day this video posts, June 29th, 2024. Caroline was our honorary flower girl because she was just 25 days old when my wife and I got married. So congratulations, many happy years to the happy couple, and many delicious slices of pizza to go as well. If this is your first time here, please do consider subscribing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down. At any rate, leave your comments, feedback down below. And the second piece that I made, this is going in my kitchen because I like pizza too. At any rate, we'll catch you next time.